Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Intercom for live chat support, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using Intercom for live chat support, start by creating an Intercom account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Intercom website and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the required information to set up your account, including your business details and email address. Once your account is created, log in to the Intercom dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, which includes your inbox, users, and settings. Next, navigate to the Messenger option found in the Settings menu on the left sidebar. Customize the chat widget to match your brand's colors and style for a seamless user experience. Set up automated greetings by clicking on the Customize tab within the Messenger settings. Choose when you want the greeting to appear based on user behavior or time spent on your website. After customizing your greeting, you can also set up automated replies for common questions. To do this, head over to the Workflows section under the Settings. Create a new workflow and select a trigger, such as a new message or a specific user action. Then, define the automated response based on the chosen trigger. Now, let's enable live chat support for your team. Go to the Team section in your Intercom settings. Add team members who will be handling live chats by inviting them via email. Once your team is set up, return to the Messenger settings to assign conversations to specific team members based on their expertise. To monitor live chats, regularly check your inbox on the Intercom dashboard. Make sure to respond promptly to incoming messages to maintain customer satisfaction. Utilize tags and notes within conversations to keep track of customer issues and follow-ups. Finally, analyze your chat performance using Intercom's reporting tools. Check metrics such as response times, resolution rates, and customer feedback to continuously improve your support. By following these steps, you can effectively use Intercom for live chat support to enhance your customer service experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.